Living in Clearwater, Florida, comes with stunning coastal views and plenty of sunshine, but it also means dealing with a climate that can be tough on your home's windows. From high humidity to tropical storms, Clearwater's weather conditions can take a toll on windows over time, reducing their effectiveness and even compromising your home's safety. Here's a closer look at how weather impacts your windows and why replacement services are essential for Clearwater homeowners. Humidity and moisture damage. Clearwater's humid climate can cause significant wear and tear on your windows. Persistent exposure to moisture can lead to a range of problems that affect both functionality and aesthetics. Rotting and warping. Wooden window frames are especially vulnerable to moisture, which can cause them to swell, warp, or rot over time. Mold and mildew growth. High humidity levels create the perfect conditions for mold and mildew to form on window frames, seals, and sills. Seal failure. Excessive moisture can weaken seals, leading to air and water leaks. Replacing your windows with moisture-resistant materials like vinyl or fiberglass ensures long-term durability and helps protect your home from Clearwater's humid conditions. Damage from intense sunshine. Clearwater's abundant sunshine is a perk of coastal living, but it can have adverse effects on your windows and home interiors. UV damage. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause fading of your furniture, flooring, and window treatments. Frame discoloration. Sunlight can cause some window frame materials to fade, discolor, or deteriorate over time. Glass degradation. Low-quality glass may develop micro cracks or lose its insulating properties due to constant exposure to heat and sunlight. Energy-efficient windows with low emissivity coatings protect your home from UV rays and reduce heat transfer, making them a valuable replacement option for Clearwater homeowners. Impact of tropical storms and hurricanes. Clearwater's location on the Gulf Coast makes it vulnerable to severe weather events, including tropical storms and hurricanes. Your windows are one of the most critical components of your home's defense against these powerful forces. Wind damage. High winds can stress window frames and glass, causing breakage or weakening over time. Flying debris. During storms, debris can shatter standard windows, leading to water damage and compromised safety. Water intrusion. Heavy rains and storm surges can expose weaknesses in older windows, allowing water to enter your home. Upgrading to impact-resistant hurricane windows provides peace of mind, offering superior protection against high winds, debris, and water intrusion. Temperature fluctuations and energy efficiency. Clearwater's weather often alternates between warm, humid days and cooler evenings, which can strain older windows and impact your home's energy efficiency. Air leaks. Temperature changes can cause seals to expand and contract, leading to gaps that allow air to escape. Increased energy costs. Inefficient windows force your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, driving up utility bills. Condensation issues. Poorly insulated windows may develop condensation, leading to moisture problems and reduced visibility. Energy-efficient replacement windows with double or triple panes and insulating gas fill help regulate indoor temperatures and lower energy bills, making them an excellent investment for Clearwater homes. Noise and comfort concerns. Living in a vibrant coastal community often comes with increased outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, and beachgoers. Older windows may not provide adequate sound insulation, impacting your comfort and peace of mind. Noise reduction. Modern replacement windows with laminated or double-pane glass offer improved soundproofing, creating a quieter indoor environment. Enhanced comfort. Upgraded windows block drafts and reduce temperature fluctuations, ensuring year-round comfort for your family. Replacing your windows enhances your home's livability while improving its overall energy efficiency. Long-term structural integrity. Windows play a crucial role in maintaining your home's structural integrity. Over time, weather-related wear and tear can weaken your windows, leading to potential safety hazards and costly repairs. Weakened frames. Prolonged exposure to weather can cause frames to deteriorate, reducing their ability to support the glass securely. Compromised safety. Damaged or weakened windows may pose a safety risk during storms or daily use. Increased maintenance needs. Older windows often require frequent repairs and upkeep, which can become expensive over time. Replacing aging windows with durable, weather-resistant options ensures your home remains safe, secure, and low maintenance. Conclusion. Clearwater's unique weather conditions, humid air, intense sunshine, and the threat of storms, make maintaining functional, durable windows a necessity for homeowners. If your windows are showing signs of wear, struggling with efficiency, or failing to protect your home from the elements, it's time to consider replacement services. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient, and weather-resistant windows not only enhances your home's comfort and safety but also reduces energy costs and increases its value. Contact a trusted window replacement professional in Clearwater today to explore your options and ensure your home is ready to handle everything the Florida climate has to offer.